Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Brendan, and today I'm going to be talking to you about dynamic laser scanning and imaging from subsea vehicles. Thanks to SUT for including this video in the Gadgets and Widgets series. Now, before I deep dive into the topic, I want to give you a brief background about 2GRobotics. We were formed in 2007 and we are based in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. We're not really situated by any large bodies of water, but there is a very prominent engineering school by us, and we like to pull a lot of our talent from there. More recently, we were acquired by the Sonodyne Group and are excited to be part of this team moving forward. And finally, a quick fact, we were the first commercial underwater laser scanner back in 2012, and we were the first dynamic-based laser scanner. So what does 2GRobotics do? Well, we provide our customers with extremely high-resolution data using our underwater laser scanner and stills imaging package. Our stills imaging package includes a high-sensitivity camera and a very powerful LED panel. All of our products are configurable for your unique problem, which means they can be deployed using various methods, including AUVs, ROVs, surface vessels, or even by divers. And something that's distinct to 2GRobotics is the fact that everything we do is in real time, so that you can take advantage of the results immediately. And having worked subsea, we all know that time can be critical. So the use of our technology actually spans over several industries, including offshore energy, which is where we got our start. It was our focal point for a long time, and there's a lot of innovators within this industry that actually helped us get the tech to where it is today. More recently, we've been making a push into the defense market, as our technology really helps support identifying objects underwater, which previously would have gone unknown. Marine research is something that we kind of hold near and dear to our heart, as we always find some of the most interesting projects stem from marine research, including dynamic scanning of subsea structures, coral mapping, shipwreck. There always seems to be a use for our equipment in new and different ways that maybe we've never even thought of. And finally, with civil infrastructure, we help make sure the assets are in good shape and can verify that their integrity can be maintained over a span of time. So a few of our customers include GE, Oceaneering, Deep Ocean, Total, ENI, and NOAA, and that's just to name a few. So in saying all this, what is dynamic laser scanning? We haven't talked about this yet. So dynamic laser scanning helps gather high-resolution details and accurate records of your subject in its current state and location. So the easiest way to explain this is to actually show you a video. So this is a subsea asset that was mapped dynamically from an ROV. We're able to fly over the asset and create a high accuracy as-built model or digital twin, which gives the ability to understand the current state of these assets and determine and detect change over time. So this image shows how easy it is to actually incorporate our systems into a vehicle. This is an example of the very first integration we did with a vehicle, and it was integrating our equipment into a Hugin for pipeline inspection. To give you a better understanding of the equipment's capabilities, I wanted to show you a few data samples. The top is an example of laser data that was obtained from a Hugin running at 9 meters altitude and a speed of 4 knots, scanning complex seabeds. The bottom is stills images that were obtained from a Hugin running an altitude of 5 meters and 4 knots. Now this is actually an example of 5 images stitched together, and it's a torpedo mine. So why 2GRobotics? Why have people worked with us in the past and continue to work with us? It's not only because we provide really great high resolution data, it's because we're problem solvers. We're passionate about design and tech. We want to help you find the best solution for your problem, even if that solution doesn't include our equipment, and we want to be transparent about it. We want you to own your own survey, which means we want to give you the data right away without any additional cost. And we want to partner to support you with your project from start to finish. We're just as invested in the project as you are. So if you want to learn more about 2GRobotics, please feel free to reach out to us. And if you hadn't had a chance yet, please go over and listen to the SUT podcast. The new episode with our general manager, Chris Gilson, is out now.